Hey guys, we've got a 2021 Silverado with the 5.3 liter, and we've got the x431 Pro3s Elite by launch, and we're just going to do a quick walkthrough showing this scan tool. This is my highest end scan tool that I have, and I just kind of want to show you a quick walkthrough, mainly focusing on the actuation test and special functions that this scan tool has on this vehicle. This scan tool does come with a their SmartLink C VCI/J box, so you can it acts as a J2534 pass through, so you can program modules using a laptop computer, connecting up to the manufacturer's website and downloaded their software packages and upgrade their software on pretty much any manufacturer. So you can see it does have topology. It does have fast scan or high speed scan. Even though it just says smart detection, you'll see whenever I hit smart detection how it's going to scan multiple modules at the same time. So we'll just go ahead and do that. And you can see how multiple modules are being scanned all at the same time. And that's a pretty quick scan for a vehicle that's got as many modules as this one has. Just want to show you real quick this CAN bus pin detection. Gives you a layout of the DLC connector, what voltages are on what pins have got grounds, and all that. So that's a pretty cool little feature. We'll go back. You can, of course, do a report, compare results. Diagnostic plan. If this had DTCs in it, you can hit diagnostic plan, and it will give you kind of a rundown on a plan to start tackling the DTCs in each module. Of course, you can go to system list, and it's got all the same modules there in a list order. ADAS calibration is kind of nice. It's got all your different ADAS related components and whatever kind of calibration that it would take to do those. Go there, there's a topology layout of the ADAS system on this truck, ADAS calibration function, and you can do another health report right here. Common special functions, you'd go through all the different equipment that this truck has, and then it would get you to the common special functions. Of course, you got vehicle configuration also. Of course, it's got the L84 engine in it. So let's go ahead and go over here to system list. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through this list right here, and we're going to hit the main modules, and I'll show you the actuation test and special functions in those modules. This truck actually does not have cylinder deactivation, but it does have the start-stop system. And we're going to hit actuation test first. And I'll just kind of scroll, let you see those. Now, in some of these, like for instance, fuel system, when you go into them, you've got even more actuation test. So you can see under the fuel system what you've got there. And we'll go into special functions. Got learn. And we got reset. Of course, the TCM. This got the MQE, which is the 8-speed transmission. And we will go into actuation test and special functions. Brake control module, actuation test, and special functions. Let's see here. Body control module, we'll do it. This is single rear-wheel drive. And not equipped for with that. The actuation test. And this is kind of a similar deal. Like if you go into like interior lighting, you're going to have even more actuation tests. Exterior lighting, same thing. Wipers, you got your wiper motor relay and your washer. Special functions. The add replace key fobs. I wonder if erase program all key fobs. Key fob 1, 2, 3. Next available slot. So you can add key fobs using this tool. That was BCM. Let's see what else. I don't want this video to get any longer than it needs to. Serial data gateway, inflatable restraint. We'll do that one. Actuation test. Special functions. Passenger presence, we'll go ahead and do that. Typically, the only thing that's going to be under that, of course, there's your seatbelt tensioner sensor, and then it'll let you, the sensor learn, passenger presence sensor learn. That's the pressure switch in the seat. Instrument cluster can be pretty handy. This has got the UDD option. Does not have heads-up display, though. Actuation test and special functions. And HVAC is definitely one that you're going to want. Okay, so this is the HVAC controls. Typically, under the HVAC controls, you're not going to have any kind of actuation test or special functions. It's the HVAC module that will have all those. Radio, we'll go ahead and do radio. This has got the iOS radio. Actuation test. Special functions. And see, here's the HVAC control module. So we'll go ahead and go into that. And we may just call it a done deal after this one. So you got all your different tests there. Of course, you got temperature functions, miscellaneous test, mode functions, indicators, and air recirc functions. And then we'll go into special functions. Got your afterblow and your actuators learn. And that may be all I'm going to do. Keyless entry. We'll do keyless entry just to see what it's got, because I'm curious about that. Seat memory. Does not have any seat memory. Actuation test. And what the actuation tests are, if you don't know, is bidirectional capability. So you can bidirectionally actuate things, send power to things, roll the windows up and down, for instance, actuate door locks, windshield wiper motor, all that kind of stuff, headlights, taillights, for troubleshooting. If you're needing to troubleshoot these systems, you have a way to use a scan tool to actuate and interface with them. Anyway, this is a very high-end scan tool. This is the scan tool. Let me show you the VCI. This is a pretty impressive VCI. This is a J-Box / VCI. You can see it's got a plethora of options on the VCI itself. And this is a J24, 2534
J-box, so you can program modules and stuff with this. It will connect to a laptop and either your Ethernet or Wi-Fi, so you can program modules. Anyway, this was a 2021 Silverado, and this is the X431 Pro3s Elite scan tool by Launch. If you're looking for a good high-end scan tool, I can't say enough good things about this one. One other thing to show you on this particular scan tool, not under that. Let me show you just real quick. Of course, you got your EV. So if you're working on a lot of EVs, you've got EV-related tests that you can do. Diagnosis kit. You've got, again, you got your CAN bus diagnosis. So if you're having communication problems, you can help. The scan tool will help you troubleshoot communication problems with the CAN bus. But what I was actually wanting to show was Toolbox. That's where it's at. These are other pieces of hardware from Launch that you can buy that will interface with this scanner and enhance it. TPMS, ADIS, scope box, sensor box, video scope, battery tester, key programmer, immobilizer programmer. So, if you're wanting to be able to have expanded capability, this scan tool allows you to do that. Anyway, we're done. This is a 2021 Silverado, and again, this is the X431 Pro3s Plus Elite. You guys take care. We'll see you.